This is everything that I'm going to be sharing with you today. It looks like a lot, but let me tell you, this is happy mail. Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another Shapermint video. This video is really special because it is my Mother's Day edition. Mother's Day is right around the corner. It's actually this Sunday, which is May 8th, in case you didn't know. I wanted to wish each and every one of you a very, very happy Mother's Day. I hope you have an amazing day and are spoiled with love, hugs, kisses from your family, but also make sure to spoil yourself this entire month. Spoil yourself because you deserve it. I am a mom to 2 and I absolutely love my kids with all my heart. Mikey is 13, Ileana is 9, and they are my everything. I just love them to pieces. Everything that I do is for them. I just want them to know that mommy loves you so, so much. So I am in the process of moving, and that is why I am filming in my closet, my empty closet, thankfully. But the house is echoey and I didn't want that to come across to you here on camera. So excuse my background. I did light a candle and add some florals, and hopefully that helps out a little bit. But as I was packing up my closet, I came across something that I wanted to share with you. This is a pile of shapewear that I used to wear or invested in and maybe never wore. But I wanted to show this to you because I want you to see that shapewear is something that is not new to me. Ever since I became a mother, I have been searching for the perfect shapewear. And I truly do believe that I've found that with Shapermint. Now I can get rid of these. I wanted to share those with you before I put them in a giveaway box. But I truly do believe that I have found the perfect shapewear. Shapermint is amazing, and when we become mothers, our bodies do change. Some bounce back quicker than others. Some, like myself, I feel like I never really bounced back at all. My stomach is just not the same, and that is because I had C-sections. I had 2 C-sections. My first one was an emergency C-section, and of course the second C-section was scheduled. I have no muscle in my stomach area, and it shows. I've learned to just embrace that part of my body, but shapewear does make it better. And Shapermint is a line that I am grateful for. They have really just changed my perspective on how I feel about my body image, and I love that. So with all of that said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. I am going to be unboxing my latest shipment. I can't wait to show you what I have chosen. They are my staples. I've shared these in other videos, but they truly, truly are my staples, and I want to share this with you. The first thing I want to talk about is the scoop neck cami. This is one of my favorites, and I love this because you can use this for any season. Summer's coming up. It's perfect for summer because you can wear it alone. You don't have to wear anything over it, and it does come in various colors. This time around I got a brown one. I have the black one, the white one, the nude one, and the brown one. I actually have the brown one on right now under this shirt. As you can see, it has some holes in it. I'm not a fashion person, but it does have holes in it, and I have my scoop neck cami under. I absolutely love it. This is the brown one. The brown is beautiful and gorgeous. You don't even have to wear a bra with it, and I'm not wearing a bra with mine today because it does have enough compression to it to where it will hold you in, it will snug you in tightly, and you don't feel like you're missing a bra at all. You don't need it. And if you're someone who likes to go braless, then this is perfect for you. So you can wear this under anything. You won't even know that you have it on. Also too, it is moisture wicking, so you don't sweat in it. You don't feel like you're sweaty. I'm actually sweating right now in my closet, but underneath my clothing, I feel pretty fresh. So this is gorgeous. This is a great addition to your collection, especially if you're going to start one. Definitely start with the scoop neck cami. They have different colors, and you can wear this with virtually anything. This next item is also one of my favorites, and I actually have them on right now as I film this video. These are the high-waisted boy shorts. I have them on in black, and I decided to try out a new color, and these are the nude ones. I'm thinking for the nude ones, I will wear them under a dress. I am moving, and the city that I am moving to is extremely windy, and I love to wear summer dresses. So I thought that I could wear this under my summer dresses, not worry too much if my skirt flies up. I'm protected. Have my boy shorts on. Not only do I have my boy shorts on, they are shapewear. The nice thing about Shapermint shapewear is that it does not roll down. And if you've tried other types of shapewear, even just underwear, you'll know that if you sit, that they'll start rolling down, and that's a little uncomfortable because you're always having to pull them up, and it's not nice to have to do that in public. So with this silicone band, you are protected from that. Your shapewear is not going to be rolling down, and you're not going to have to be lifting that up in public. That is a thing of the past with Shapermint. These are high-waisted. They go up to about under your bra strap, so they are pretty high-waisted, and then they look short. You can definitely get away with wearing them out if you're somebody that likes to wear short shorts. You can wear them under a dress. You can wear them under shorts. I really, really, really do love the boy shorts. And not only are they cute, they're also sexy. Your husband, your boyfriend will love them. So definitely get yourself a pair of the boy shorts. They are amazing. The next thing that I want to share with you are the biker shorts. If you're somebody who doesn't like to wear shorter shorts out but prefers a bit of a longer short, then the biker shorts are perfect for you. This is the same exact material as the leggings, exact same material. So it is a thick material. It's not see-through at all, so you can bend over confidently and know that nothing is going to show through your shorts. And these have the silicone band as well. So these are amazing as well for summer because it does get hot. I'm from Arizona, but I'm moving to Texas. It's hot there too. So these are perfect for summer. And like I mentioned, the material is moisture wicking, so you're not going to be sweating up a storm in them. They will feel really dry and comfortable. I got them in a size large. Normally in leggings, I wear a medium. Always make sure to look at the size chart on the Shapermint website because some things are sized a little differently. So I highly, highly recommend that you do that. I got these in a large, and that is because I went by my size chart. Usually I'm an 8 to 10 or a medium in leggings. Shapermint has something for everybody. So if that type of shapewear is not what you want, you just want a shapewear undies, then they have that too. And so I'm going to share with you the high-waisted shaper panties. These are them right here. And same technology with the silicone band right here. They're not going to slip and slide or roll down your tummy. They do have some booty control in them, so it'll give your booty a really nice shape. I don't know if you can see that right there. And they're high-waisted, so you can definitely wear these under anything. And I feel like these are perfect for summer because it's hot. You might not want to layer too many things on top of each other. And so these are perfect, especially if you're a working woman and you want to go to work and have your shapewear be extremely discreet. Perfect. All of Shapermint shapewear is very, very discreet, and you won't even know that you have it on. You don't have to make too many changes to your wardrobe to accommodate your shapewear. It just fits right in, and that's what I love about Shapermint. The last thing that I'm going to share with you, I just cannot get enough of, and I've recommended this to various family members and friends here on YouTube too through these videos, and they absolutely love them. They've gotten back to me and told me that they are obsessed, and it is the Daily Comfort wire-free bra. This bra is amazing. It's all I'll wear. It's pretty much all I wear these days. I love their bras, and this is what it looks like. They are so, so comfortable. It is a wire-free bra. If you're somebody who doesn't like wire, then you have to get one of these. What I love about Shapermint too is that they think of everything. They send you the bra extender. So if you need to extend your bra out, it's right here at the tip of your hands. You don't have to go and buy anything. This particular bra does have clasps in the back. So if you're looking for something that's a bit more traditional with the clasps, then this is definitely the bra you want to get. It doesn't slip or slide down your shoulders, and I had so many problems with that. And that's a thing of the past for me now. It doesn't happen. I guess my shoulders are narrow and small, and no matter how much I tightened my bra straps, they were always falling down. This does not happen with Shapermint bras. Also too, I just love that they're wire free. Wires were really bruising me. They were bruising the side of my boobs, and it was just something that I was living with. Something that was just normal to me, which it should not have been. They were really, really injuring me. And I had those bruises for years just because I could never find a bra that was comfortable enough for me, a bra that would not bruise me. These are my absolute favorites. And I got a 3-pack, so it comes with black, nude, and white. So here you go. You are completely covered if you get the 3-pack. And I always recommend that you buy in bundles if you are able to, because you get more for your money. I'm all about saving money. I believe if you buy your bras in a bundle, then they are about $17 each, which is a steal because these are the best bras ever. I absolutely love them and highly, highly recommend them. I won't wear anything else. My mom won't wear anything else. My mother-in-law loves them. Some YouTube friends have purchased them and loved them and even recommended them to their daughters who love them. I mean, I cannot say enough about these bras. They are the absolute best. So that is everything that I have to share with you today. It was a lot. I love every single item that they've ever sent me. And as a matter of fact, other shapewear companies have reached out to me and asked me to test their products, to do a review on them, and I will not. I just will not, because I love Shapermint. I don't feel like I need to search any further for shapewear. Why am I going to try something else out when I absolutely love what I'm using already? I just can't do it. Not even for money. So I really hope that you will consider trying it out. I absolutely love it. This smile on my face is completely genuine. I light up when I talk about Shapermint because we all come in different shapes and sizes, and that's okay. And their shapewear is made for that. It can work for virtually anybody, any body type. You will love it. I love it. Give it a try. I have a 20% off code that I can share with you. These codes don't last forever. They do go away. And I do try to leave the most updated code in my description box. So if this video gets a little bit old, the new code will be in the box as soon as I know it. And that's because I really do want to pass on these savings to you. I am a very frugal person, and I believe in frugal shopping. And Shapermint, it just fits in your budget. They always have sales. Sign up for their email alerts. Sign up for their text message alerts. They are always having amazing sales. Sometimes they have free shipping. I'm a big free shipping person too. So sometimes they do have sales where they do offer you free shipping, which are sales that I like to hit up. But even then, their shipping is pretty affordable. So thank you, Shapermint, for making today's video possible. Once again, happy Mother's Day, ladies. I really hope that you have a beautiful day with your families, your loved ones, your children. And I am sending you a big hug. I hope you have an amazing day. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.